It stands accused of corruption, charges could be pending, and now the Health Services Union has hit a new low. The ACTU has suspended it until the union cleans up its act. But the humiliation is likely to be prolonged for at least another month. Tonight, Fair Work Australia announced it will release publicly its 1,100-page dossier on the union's misdeeds. From Canberra, Nada Gilmore reports.
Dark days for the union movement.
What's happened to the lights?
And it's in damage control.
The decision was not taken lightly. It is a very grave and serious step for the ACTU.
It's yet another humiliation for the beleaguered Health Services Union, kicked out of the ACTU, temporarily at least.
The decision was overwhelmingly supported by the majority of the executive.
The peak body acted to protect what it calls the union brand, getting in early before anyone knows the extent of the HSU's misconduct, detailed in Fair Work Australia's 1,100-page report.
It's a publicity stunt. You know, they want to get some credibility out of this. They want to make sure that the rest of the union membership isn't tarred with the same brush.
This is not a publicity stunt. This is a clear statement by the ACTU executive that there is zero tolerance for corruption.
The Labor MP who once ran the union is distancing himself.
Well, look, it's really got nothing to do with me.
Craig Thompson's taking comfort in the announcement that Commonwealth prosecutors can't act on the Fair Work report because it's not a proper brief of evidence.
The DPP's indications yesterday were very encouraging and are very consistent with what I've said all along about being innocent in relation to this issue.
Tony Abbott's not letting him off the hook.
The ACTU would not have used that very powerful and evocative term corruption if they did not think that very, very serious wrongdoing had not taken place.
He wants Fair Work to provide a brief of evidence or let police step in.
Hundreds of thousands of dollars of union members' money have been grievously misused.
It is not appropriate for me, and it's not appropriate for Tony Abbott to be trying to give directions to an independent body.
Late today, Fair Work Australia agreed to release its report to a Senate committee, but not straight away. It won't hand over the document for at least another month, while it's still considering whether to take federal court action against the union. Nada Gilmore, ABC News, Canberra.